Hello everyone. Today we will learn k nearest neighbors algorithm using Python. For that we will need NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn and matplot libraries. So we have imported all these libraries over here. Now data frame pd.readcsv purchase.csv. So basically this line will read purchase.csv file df.head. So it will return only first file line from purchase.csv. As you can see the output over here. Now df.describe. So it will generate descriptive statistics. As you can see output. Now we will perform some exercise. The first one is standardize age and income as X, then split the data into training and test sets using by as the responsive variable y, random state is equal to 10. For that we have taken one data frame, age and income. The another one is by, and we have stored this data frame into y. Here we are performing standardization. Basically pre-processing dot standard scaler will standardize feature by removing the mean and scaling to unit variance. It will standardize the data set and the method fit transform. Basically this method is used on the training data so that we can scale the training data and also learn the scaling parameters of that data. Here the model built by us will learn the mean and variance of the feature of the training set, and these learned parameters are then used to scale our test data. Now xtrain xtest ytrain ytest is equal to train test split xy random state 10. So train test split, basically this expression will split arrays or matrix into random train and test subsets. And here the random state 10. So basically the random state controls the shuffling applied to the data before applying the split. Pass an integer for a reproducible output across multiple function calls. Second exercise, run a KNN analysis, k is equal to 2, report accuracy score on the test data. K neighbors classifier n neighbors is equal to 2 dot fit x train and y train. So basically k neighbors classifiers has been used to implement the k nearest neighbors vote, and the parameter n neighbors is used to use the number of neighbors by default for k neighbors queries. Here we have written 2, but if we don't write anything over here then it will take 5 as a by default. And m.score x test and y test, it's for accuracy score. So as you can see the output over here, and then over here we have used predict. So this function enables us to predict the labels of the data values on the basis of the trained model. So basically it will return the predicted labels from x test and assign to the y y predict, confusion matrix y test and y predict. Basically it will evaluate the accuracy of classification. Here is the output for such expressions. Now pd dot cross tab y test y predict. Basically it will compute a simple cross tabulation of 2 or more factors. By default it computes a frequency table of the factors unless an array of values and an aggregation function are passed. Here we have passed ytest and ypredict, and output for this expression is here. Now it will return the coordinate matrices from coordinate vectors and be arranged. It will arrange all the data, the starting point, the stop point, where we will need to stop, and the step. Basically it will plot field counters that we got from this expression. So there are few parameters, x1, x2, and then mpredict, and then alpha. It will land the values between 0 to 1. CMap, basically it's a color map. It will convert the values to color, like here we have put yellow and orange, so the plot will be in color yellow and orange. For scatter we have used this expression. Here we have put age on X label and salary on Y label, and to draw the diagram we have used this expression. So at the end we will get this as an output. Third exercise, run KNN analysis, k is equal to 1 to 10, and report the accuracy scores on the test data. For that we have taken two empty data sets. First one is accuracy train and second one is accuracy test. We have created models for k 1 to 10 over here. For that we have used for loop. So the numbers 1 by 1 from 1 to 11 will be taken by k. Again k neighbors classifier, so classifier implementing the k nearest neighbors port, and here n neighbors is equal to k. So as loop runs, the n neighbors will be getting value from 1 to 11. For example, for first turn of loop it will take 1, for second turn it will take 2, for third turn it will take 3, likewise up to 11. Here we have append this data to the accuracy train, and m.score is being appended with accuracy test, and at the end we have printed accuracy test, so we will get this as an output. The fourth exercise, plot the train and test accuracy for k is equal to 1 to 10. For that we have used plot method from matplot library. Basically it will plot y versus x as lines and or markers. The range is 1 to 11, and we are plotting accuracy train, so we will give label as train accuracy, and we want O as a marker, so marker is equal to O. Similarly, for accuracy test we will give label as test accuracy and marker as an X. We are plotting number of neighbors k on x axis and accuracy on y axis. To draw the diagram we used plot.legend. So as an output we will get this. The fifth exercise, run KNN with the optional k value and report the accuracy score on the test data. Again, k neighbor classifier n neighbors is equal to 3, fit x train and y train into m, and then m dot score x test y test for accuracy score. So we will get an output 0.93, as you can see over here. For prediction, we have used predict method, and for confusion matrix, we have used method confusion underscore matrix. So at the end, we will get this as an output. So that's it for today. Thank you.